Hey everybody, Craig again. I'm here to talk to you about what you should do with the PowerRay after you're done out and about, either in the ocean or a lake or a pool. I just got done doing some treasure hunting in this pool. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the PowerRay out, lock the motor. Handy towel, because sometimes it's hard to get the tether off after a nice swim. There we go. Loosen up. Go ahead and pull this out. And the first thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to find some clean water to actually rinse this thing out. So come on with me. That sound that you hear right now, that's telling me that there's water in this plug right now. So what I want to do is come over here and just kind of rinse out the motors. I'm going to put my thumb over the port, turn on the water, get that in there, get those motors all cleaned out, get that all good, rinse everything down. So I'm going to go here in the back, motor, shake it all out. All right, and now the next step is the most important, and that's drying. Got to make sure that this thing is really dry before you put it away, because especially in the ocean environment, you're going to see a lot of rust if you don't get this thing dried off. So what I like to do is bring a small towel with me on every dive. Then I'll take my towel. The first thing I'm going to do is dry the port. Just put my thumb on the port, push down, and get close. Blow that water out, dry it off again, and then continue with the rest of the ray. Alright, once everything's nice and dry, blow a little bit through the thruster system. Looks like we're nice and dry here. Now she's ready to be stored away back in her home. So that's another quick, easy tip for you guys to go ahead and try this every single time. Make it a statement of what you do every single time you go out so that you keep this thing forever. That's another quick tip. I'm Craig. Thanks for watching PowerVision.